Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best laptop backpacks you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Troubadour Apex 3.0 is a premium versatile backpack ideal for professionals and travelers. Made from waterproof recycled polyester with vegan leather accents, it combines sustainability with durability. Its 25-liter capacity features a padded laptop compartment for devices up to 17 inches, multiple organizational pockets, and side-elasticated bottle holders. Designed for comfort, it includes sculpted padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel for even weight distribution and prolonged wear. A sleek aesthetic, travel-friendly trolley sleeve, and commitment to sustainability enhance its appeal. Combining functionality, comfort, and style, it is a top choice for daily use and travel. The Nomatic Travel Pack is a sleek, versatile backpack designed for daily use and short trips, accommodating 1 to 3 day journeys. Its expandable design increases capacity from 20 to 30 liter, offering flexibility for various travel scenarios. Crafted from durable water-resistant materials with reliable YKK zippers, it ensures protection against the elements. Key features include a TSA-ready laptop sleeve for devices up to 16 inches, multiple organizational compartments, hidden security pockets, and magnetic water bottle holders. A patent-pending strap system allows seamless transition between backpack and briefcase modes. With its stylish design and travel-friendly features, it's ideal for professionals and tech-savvy travelers. The Everki Onyx backpack is a sophisticated and functional choice for professionals. Designed for daily use and business travel, it accommodates laptops and tablets up to 17.3 inches with a padded compartment and patented corner guard protection. Crafted from water-repellent ballistic nylon with leather accents, it ensures durability and style. Features include a trolley handle pass-through, RFID blocking pocket, multifunctional side pockets, and a hard-shell sunglasses case. Comfortable padded straps and a breathable back panel enhance usability. Combining premium materials, superior organization, and travel-friendly elements, it's ideal for the discerning executive. The Peak Design Everyday V2 is a premium versatile backpack ideal for photographers, commuters, and travelers. Its weatherproof shell, crafted from 100% recycled nylon canvas, protects gear from the elements. The bag features customizable FlexFold dividers for organized storage, a mag latch system for quick top access, and dual ultra zips for side entry. It includes a padded sleeve for laptops up to 16 inches, expands by 8 liter for added capacity, and has external straps for carrying gear. Comfortable padded straps, a breathable back panel, and sustainable materials make it a durable, adaptable choice for diverse daily and travel needs. The Timbuk2 Authority Laptop Backpack Deluxe is a versatile and stylish choice for professionals and students. With a 28-liter capacity, it accommodates laptops up to 17 inches and offers exceptional organization through multiple compartments, including a padded laptop section, main storage area, and smaller organizer pockets. Comfort features include padded straps, a ventilated back panel, and a removable sternum strap for heavier loads. Its durable water-resistant construction and waterproof bottom boot provide protection in various weather conditions. Travel-friendly elements, like a luggage pass-through and reflective tape for visibility, make it ideal for commuting and travel. Combining practicality, comfort, and durability, it's perfect for daily use.